are my jokes really, have they fallen into the bucket of dad jokes at this point with Qur'an 30 for 30? But Sheikh Tahir, from my understanding, you were born and raised in West Philadelphia. On the playground, that's where you spent most of your days.
He did it, man. SubhanAllah.
Hold on, I'm not even done yet. Now, as you were chilling out, maxing, relaxing, and all cool, and all shooting some people outside of the school, there were a couple of guys who were up to great good,
slapping everybody in the neighborhood.
Who started making da'wah in the neighborhood. Hold on, no, a couple of guys who were up to great good that were making da'wah in the neighborhood. So, Sheikh Abdullah. All right, so Dr. Tahir had one conversation. Shaitan got mad. You became Muslim. You decided to move to Medina. Alhamdulillah, when you got to the kingdom, you sat on the chair as the first American to teach in Masjid Nabawi.